Look around you. What do you see? A wall, a ceiling, a floor? You are in a disciple leadership training center right now. There are people counting on you to gain as much knowledge as you can so that one day you can lead them. You can't see them. They can't see you. But in time, you will help them plan cities. You will help them design school projects. You will help them run businesses. You will help them see who they really are. You will help them learn the gospel of Jesus Christ. The work of the world isn't done by extraordinary people. It's done by ordinary people who've learned to work in extraordinary ways. President Gordon B. Hinckley. When I was 6 years old, my mother used to pack me lunches for school every day. When I was a deacon, my leader took time to teach me how to pitch a tent. Every day at school, my teachers prepare me for the world. Life is made up of small choices and random encounters with friends, family, and strangers, all of whom help slowly shape us into the people we are today. My life has been far from perfect, but I'm a better person today because of the ordinary people who've helped me in extraordinary ways. Ordinary people who consistently and diligently do simple things will produce extraordinary results. Elder David A. Bednar. We will produce extraordinary results. President Henry B. Eyring has promised us, he's promised you to have the capacity to influence others. He's promised that you'll be a lifter, a teacher, and a leader. We will bless our families in church and whatever place we may go and serve. These promises are powerful. We need to be consistent and diligent in order to produce extraordinary results. You can be a disciple leader. What results will you produce?